My name is Rajasree. I have actually flown in from Doha to attend this session. In fact, there are 20 plus resources from my company. We are an insurance intermediary firm based out in Dubai. We have offices in Kenya and Qatar too. So I am quite an amateur in this AI area. I head the legal and compliance function for Lifecare Group of companies. So my expectation was to have a basic understanding about AI and what's the best use of making use of AI to kind of transform or change the way I work in my organization, and what are the ways to kind of leverage AI sources. So I think over these last 2 days, there were areas which was very, very technical, which I believe that I wouldn't be, needing to do those. But yes, several takeaways in terms of what exactly how AI can actually transform the way we work. And I'm actually learned a lot over these last few days in terms of how legal and compliance department can leverage on AI sources. So like about prompts and about models and about bots and all that. So how I will be working towards like how to kind of use the prompts in the best way to make use of the AI in terms of transforming the way we work in the legal and compliance function. And I think in the legal and compliance function, there are several areas where we could maximize usage of AI. So I'm definitely gonna do a lot of research on that and give my recommendations to my CEO to make the best use of that. And in fact, to leverage on our learnings these last 2 days and make it like practical in the way we do our daily work. Thank you.